Hey guys, welcome to Daily Cryptocurrency Tidbits. My name is Kingsley, and on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove liquidity from Mojitoswap. So, how to take out your LP tokens from Mojitoswap when you are done farm yielding or liquidity mining. Alright, so that is what I'm going to be showing you on this video: how to remove your LP tokens from the liquidity pools when you are done farm yielding. Now, some time ago, I did a video on how to farm on Mojitoswap. Now, this is it: how to farm and earn Mojito by providing liquidity on Mojitoswap. This was about 3 months ago, and it's gathered some views. And recently, so basically, I'll have to launch my MetaMask on my browser. You can see my MetaMask is open here. I'll quickly log in. Okay, I'm logged in here, and then you go to Mojitoswap. You go to Mojitoswap. This is Mojitoswap. I'll quickly allow that to update. Now, I'll have to connect my wallet. I'll connect using MetaMask, depending on whichever wallet provider you are using. So I'm using MetaMask. You can see I started mining this morning when I got that update on the comment section from the previous video I did. Someone asked for me to do a video on how to remove LP tokens. So I quickly provided liquidity with about $60 worth of KCS and Mojito in 50-50 ratio. So this is what you have here. I've been mining for say an hour 30 minutes. So I've been able to earn 0.011 Mojito. All right, so I could harvest that, and then, like I said, I'm going to show you how to remove liquidity after provision in this liquidity pool, this MGT and KCS pool. All right, so how do I go about removing my liquidity? I'll simply come on here. I would harvest what I have. I'll harvest this 0.01 Mojito. I'll confirm on the blockchain. Now, I'll wait for that to process. It's pending, so it shouldn't take time. Once I get that out, I would simply click on this minus sign here. Once that, I could do that as well. Now, I think it has gone through, so it has harvested. You can see Mojito N is 0, so I have harvested the already N Mojito. Now I want to remove my LP token from the liquidity pool, so I'll click on minus here. I'll select max. This is liquidity token that I provided in this pool. I want to unstick it now and get back my KCS or Mojito, so to say. So I'll click on confirm, and then I have to confirm the transaction on the blockchain. The good thing about KCS Kucoin chain is that the fee is very negligible. All right, you can see 0.0004 KCS as gas fee. That is nothing compared to what you pay on Ethereum network. So I'll click on that to confirm quickly, and I'll wait while the transaction confirms on the blockchain. All right, I could go ahead and close this. So you see pending. Now I have successfully removed my liquidity. Now if I go back to my MetaMask wallet, you will find that I have my LP token sitting right here in my wallet. But come on, I can't do anything with my LP token other than to stake and farm yield with it, or yield farming with it. Now I have to swap back my Mojito LP token into either Mojito or KCS. So I'll quickly go back to the Mojitoswap, and then on this left hand corner here, I'll go to trade. I'll click on exchange. I'll click on liquidity, and then I want to remove liquidity, right? I want to remove liquidity, so I'll click on remove here, and then I'll select max. Okay, so initially I provided 1.5 KCS, and equivalent of 1.5 KCS in Mojito gave me 13.2 some fraction Mojito. So I'll click on approve, and then I'll confirm that yet again on the blockchain. I'll sign this transaction, and then I'll click on remove. All right, I'll confirm on the blockchain. Confirm. Once this is done propagating on the blockchain, I'll go back to my MetaMask wallet, and you'll see on my MetaMask wallet I'll have more KCS. This is my KCS balance initially. I'll have more KCS and some Mojito tokens sitting right there in my wallet. Once this is done, you can see transaction confirmed. All right, you remove 13.2 Mojito and 1.46 KCS. So if I go back to my wallet, MetaMask wallet, you can see the Mojito is sitting right here in my wallet, and I have 1.97 KCS as balance. Now, Mojito just got listed on Binance. On Kucoin Exchange, the People's Exchange. All right, so it's going to be trading there with massive volume, and I assume or presume that the value of Mojito is going to skyrocket in the coming days. It's been a nice project so far. It has spent a couple of months and sustainably on the Kucoin ecosystem. It is one of the most used DEX on the Kucoin chain. You can liken it to the pancake swap of the Binance Smart Chain. All right, so you can decide to hold on to your Mojito, okay? But what I did, I farmed Mojito last year. I made some very cool cash from farming Mojito by providing liquidity last year. And what I did was, immediately I got my KCS, my Mojito, I did swap to USDT, or KCS as the case may be. So in this case, I want to swap back my Mojito to KCS. So what I'll do is I'll come back to trade, and then I'll go to exchange. All right, so I want to swap Mojito. I'll max it out. I want to swap my Mojito back to KCS, so I'll max it out and then click on swap. All right, so I'll confirm that on the blockchain, and there you go. So once that transaction is completed, you'll see my Mojito converted to KCS, and you see my KCS sitting right there on my wallet. All right, so I used to have 1.97 KCS. Now it has completed. All right, so I have no Mojito anymore, and now I have now I have more KCS. So that is how you can remove liquidity when you are done farm yielding. If you really want to enjoy farm yielding on Mojitoswap, you have to put in some good amount of money. Now the APR at some point in time was quite high, which was as high as 5,000%. You can see on this video I did sometime last year, the APR was as high as 5,000 APR right there. All right, so that is that about this video. Shout out to Nana, who asked me to do this video on the comment section after seeing my previous video. All right, so please do well to drop a comment on his comment section. Tell me what you think I could do better, or if you want me to do a video on anything on the Kucoin, I'll be very willing to do that. I'll be dishing out more content. If you like this content, please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.